We're back again at Children's Museum Houston, auditioning to find the best singing scientists in Texas. Do you have the X-Periment factor?
Eureka! Bravo! Encore!
Sure. Hi, welcome to the X-Periment Factor. And what's your name?
My name? Why, I am none other than Phyllis Stein, the greatest scientist who ever lived.
Okay, well, would you tell us a little bit about yourself, Phyllis?
Of course. Recently, I was involved in a little show called Mind Your Matter, where the top scientific minds of the known universe collected to test our scientific mettle. I, of course, emerged victorious. That is, victorious within a three-way tie. And, earning all of my points in the dance party during the final episode.
All right. Not sure what most of that meant, but what are you going to be singing for us today?
Well, I'm glad you asked, for I have invented what might be the greatest atmospheric weather observation and predictive device that has ever been invented in the history of all science.
Okay, sure. Let's see it.
Thermometers measure air and sea surface temperature. Barometers measure atmospheric pressure. Hygrometer for humidity, anemometer for wind speed, and a rain gauge to measure liquid precipitation. There is no device that can compare to what I've got. Lo and behold, the weather rock. If the rock is wet, the weather might be rain. If the rock is not wet, then it probably ain't. If the rock is swinging, you can say the wind blows. If it's white, then you might suppose it to be snow. You can tell the sun is out if there's a shadow on the ground, and you can tell the time of day by where the shadow can be found. If there isn't any shadow and the rock feels dry, then it's time to theorize that there is a cloudy sky. If you can't see the rock, there's a high chance of fog, and if there's ice on the rock, then it's probably a frost. If the ice is getting thick, then the frost is getting heavy, so you'd better go inside and get your mittens ready. If you can't see the rock and you can't see any fog, then it may be late at night, or the rock could be gone. If the rock is gone, it may be a tornado who came through and took the rock away. No, if the rock is bouncing, it may be an earthquake. If the rock is wet and swinging, maybe a hurricane. There's nothing my weather rock can't avow, as long as it's the weather that is happening now. Weather rock, I love my weather rock. It helps me to take stock of the weather that's around my weather rock. Weather rock, I've got this weather rock. It can't tell me the future, 'cause it's just a rock. I'm just centuries ahead of my time, misunderstood by my peers. That's what's happening.
Alrighty then. Well, even though your weather rock did kind of help you observe the weather, we're going to go on ahead and give you a pass.
This won't be the last you see of the great Phyllis Stein.
Better luck next time on the X-Periment Factor.